Hi, I'm Heidi, and welcome to Kiddos Koral. I hope you all had a fantastic 4th of July. We sure did. I'm going to be sharing our morning routine. I hope you enjoy. This particular day was really hot and beautifully sunny. A great day to go to the pool. I'm going to start my day off with some coconut creamer in my coffee. I need coffee with my oxygen. Now I spend a little bit of time in my daily planner. I like to use my daily planner to kind of write down my thoughts and maybe some YouTube ideas. I'm kind of a pen to paper kind of person. I like to have all of everything that's in my head down on paper. It helps me stay focused and productive. Now I'm enjoying my second cup of coffee. Still working along in my planner, just relaxing, waking up. Now it's time to do my morning devotions. Every evening, Ronnie and I read the Bible, and we are currently in the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 11. So we read it last night, but I like to revise it in the morning. Now it's time to make the bed. I find that I have a better productive day with a nice made bed. Ronnie loves that body pillow, and I just bought that new cover for it from Walmart. Forgive the rumbling in the background, but this is my bathing suit, and it was so super cute. But this was actually bright red until I started going to the gym pool. Now it's like some kind of weird orange color. But I am getting ready to go to the gym, and then these pants are like that quick dry material. I love this. It's been like 97 degrees outside, and these are like capris. They're just black, and I just put my bathing suit on that is completely bleached out and awful looking, and then these, and then I just put on a random old t-shirt, and that is what I wear to the gym every day. I have not hit the bikes and the treadmills and all of that because of the situation that we're in, and I'm kind of still a little bit leery about it. But we do hit the pool, and a lot of times, as you can see from my past vlogs, Ronnie and I have pretty much had the pool completely to ourselves. So anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and get my gym gear on, and I just thought I would share this with you guys. I do self-tanning because obviously the pools outside are not open, and I just thought I would show you what I use. But I use the L'Oreal Sublime Glow. I really like it. It goes on. I have a mitt, but I don't all the time use it. I'm going to totally confess. When I'm going out, I use this Sublime Bronze. This is like when I'm, literally going out someplace, like church, and I don't want to wear pantyhose. This stuff here is awesome on your legs. I love this. And then I use this on my face. This is the Jergens Natural Glow face. And I found out from another YouTuber the other day, and this has been a game changer for me, to use a makeup brush to apply it evenly to your face. So I got an old brush. This one here I never ever use, never. and I have been using it to put my my sunless tanner on my face, and it has totally changed the game for me. So I just thought I would share that with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and get dressed and get this day going. Now it's time to make some breakfast. We're just simply going to have some cheese and egg and sausage sandwiches this morning. I know my toast looks burnt, but I promise you it's not. It's just the camera. There's my sausage, and that is my breakfast sandwich. I'm also going to have a little bit of orange juice. Now it's time for me to wash my face, and I'm using Oil of Olay cleansing cloths. And brushing my teeth, I used the Crest 3D whitening with the Oral-B spin brush. I have been using this combination for a long time. Now I'm packing up my swim bag with my towel, couple granola bars, and of course the essential mask that my mom made us. You guys enjoyed spending a little bit of my morning with me and seeing how I start my days. I am getting ready to head off to the gym today, and I've got my bag packed, my bathing suit is on underneath my clothes, and it is the perfect day to go to the pool because it is 95 degrees outside. I hope you all enjoyed. Be sure, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you along with me on my Kiddos Koral journey, and I'll be talking to you all again soon. I hope you have a fantastic week. Bye guys. Now we're headed to the gym. We're almost there. And it is a great, hot, beautiful day to go swimming in the pool. We finally have arrived, and there is where I will be the next couple of hours. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe if you are new. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great week.